This is really the only bad spot on the car's chrome. The bumpers are pretty nice. It's just that grille. Headlight rings are good. You know, there's a little pitting in the hood ornament, but it's really cleans up pretty nice. Hubcaps aren't bad. Rear bumper isn't bad. Don't have the trunk key. You can get into the trunk through the back seat, and I was gonna just put in a new cylinder. Quality of the paint's pretty good. And if you look at it, it's pretty nice. It just could use a little buffing, but I don't see any dirt in it. No orange peel. I think I just use a little TLC, you know, on the front grille. I was contemplating pulling it off and just having it powder coated like a gray, but or a silver, because it's really hard to get a good chromer nowadays. These window wings work. You know, it is what it is.